Have you ever heard the old saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away"? It's more than just a catchy phrase, it's a piece of wisdom passed down through generations. And I'm here to tell you, as a doctor, there's incredible truth to it. Think about the humble apple. It's crunchy, it's sweet, and it's available everywhere. But inside that simple fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients just waiting to boost your health. This isn't about some complicated diet or expensive superfood. It's about one easy, delicious choice you can make every single day. Let's unlock the magic together. What if I told you that this one fruit could help protect your most vital organ, your heart? What if it could make your digestive system run smoother than ever before? And what if it could even give your immune system the extra support it needs to fight off germs? It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? But science backs it up. The apple is packed with fiber, vitamins, antioxidants. These are the good guys that fight on your behalf, keeping your body strong from the inside out. Let's talk about your heart. It's your body's engine, working tirelessly every second of every day. So, how can we show it some love? The answer might be in your fruit bowl. Apples are fantastic for heart health, and a big reason is a special type of soluble fiber called pectin. Think of pectin as a tiny sponge that travels through your body. As it moves, it soaks up the bad stuff, particularly LDL cholesterol. LDL is the lousy cholesterol that can build up in your arteries. When you eat an apple, the pectin gets to work. It binds with cholesterol in your digestive system and helps escort it out before it clogs your arteries. It's a natural, gentle cleansing process. But that's not all. Apples are rich in powerful antioxidants, especially polyphenols. Polyphenols are found mainly in the apple's skin, so eat the whole fruit. These polyphenols act like bodyguards for your blood vessels. They help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. Next time you choose a snack, remember what an apple can do for your most important muscle. It's not just a fruit, it's daily heart protection. Now let's talk about your gut. Your digestive system is like a second brain. Keeping it happy is key to your overall well-being. When your digestion is off, you can feel sluggish, bloated, just plain uncomfortable. This is where apples come in as a digestive superhero. Remember that special fiber, pectin. It's also a fantastic friend to your gut. Pectin is a prebiotic. It feeds good bacteria. Good bacteria, trillions live in your gut. They need to be well fed to thrive. Feed them with apple prebiotic fiber and they flourish. A healthy gut community helps with digesting your food properly and producing essential vitamins. A happy microbiome can improve your mood, strengthen your immune system, and keep you regular. Eating an apple nourishes this internal ecosystem. You help the good guys win the battle against bad bacteria. That creates a balanced, healthy digestive environment. Result: less bloating, better nutrient absorption, a happier gut overall. Your immune system is your personal army, constantly on patrol to protect you from invaders, bacteria, viruses. Especially as we head into cold and flu season, we all want to give our immune system as much support as we can. Guess what? An apple a day can be a key part of your defense strategy. Apples are a great source of vitamin C, a well-known immunity booster. While an orange might have more, an apple still provides a significant amount. Vitamin C encourages the production of white blood cells, which are the frontline soldiers in your immune army. But the immune-boosting power of apples goes beyond just vitamin C. They contain a powerful antioxidant called quercetin. This compound is a superstar when it comes to fighting inflammation and supporting immune health. Studies have shown that quercetin can help fortify your body's defenses, especially when you are under stress. We all know that stress can weaken our immune system, making us more susceptible to getting sick. Eating an apple, with its quercetin content, can provide that extra layer of protection, helping your body stay resilient even during challenging times. The antioxidants in apples are excellent at fighting chronic inflammation. By calming inflammation throughout your body, you free up your immune system to focus on its real job, fighting off external threats. So that daily apple is doing more than you think. It's creating a calm, strong internal environment. We've talked about how apples can help heart, digestion, immune system. The science is clear and the benefits are amazing. But the most powerful health advice is only useful if you can actually follow it. The beauty of the apple a day habit is its simplicity. So, how do you make it stick? The key is to make it easy and enjoyable. Start by keeping a bowl of fresh, washed apples right on your kitchen counter where you can see them. When a healthy snack is the most convenient option, you're far more likely to grab it. Get creative with it. If you get bored of just eating a plain apple, mix things up. Slice one up and dip the pieces in peanut butter or almond butter. Think about tying the habit to an existing part of your routine. For example, make it your go-to mid-afternoon snack when you feel that 3 p.m. slump. The natural sugars will give you a gentle energy boost without the crash, and the fiber will keep you full until dinner. By linking the new habit to an established routine, you're wiring your brain to do it automatically. My final message to you is one of encouragement. You have the power to dramatically improve your health with one small, simple choice. So I challenge you today, go get an apple, take a bite, and start your journey toward better health, one delicious, crunchy, powerful bite at a time.